To do removal or installation of the panel, first perform a check on the front door. Does the window close properly or is it faulty? If there are any faults, you can rectify them during the removal process. To facilitate the removal, the window should be about 8 cm open. Switch off the ignition and place the key out of range. That means at least 2 meters away for keyless go vehicles. First remove the trim strip from the door panel using an assembly wedge. Use the same technique on the mirror triangle. Detach the cover and disconnect the electrical connectors. The bolts behind the trim strip must also be removed. Next, move on to the central locking. Hold down the 2 interior central locking switches so that you can get hold of the centerpiece and pull out the cover. There is a bolt behind the cover which also has to be removed. Now use the assembly wedge again to unclip the door lining. Once you have loosened the lining, lift it inwards and upwards so that you can access the electrical connectors. Like the Bowden cable, these must be disconnected from the door lining and door opener. Then, remove the door lining.